Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how does HelloFresh work? Do you just heat it up? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering how HelloFresh works. And so this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way that HelloFresh works is that it's not like a meal delivery service plan, meaning that some meal companies just deliver you plates of food and then you keep it frozen. And then when you're ready to eat them, you just heat it up, microwave it, or oven bake it. That's not how HelloFresh works. Now the way it works is that they actually give you ingredients which you need to cook and combine yourself. So with each meal that you order, you get a postcard that looks like this. So for example, this right here is Gouda pear cheddar grilled cheese recipe. So you'll get a postcard that looks like this, and they'll make sure to include all the ingredients in order for you to make this. Now this right here are step-by-step instructions on how to make this. With HelloFresh, you can't just heat it up. You actually do need to combine these ingredients, whether it's baking it, cooking it, assembling it, mixing it, toasting it. You do need to do that in order to make these meals. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.